Breath controls body, mind, and emotions. Breath control helps us to stay fit in all the situations. Namaste from Vyaniti Yoga.
Vyaniti Yoga have started with free Pranayama workshop where each workshop is for 4 weeks. We have team of dedicated teachers who are from different branches and different places. Since June 2020, more than 1,000 people have completed our Pranayama workshop and have benefited immensely. Our teachers are also experts in asanas. We also guide, apart from the pranayama, the Jalniti as a kriya under this pandemic situation. Jalniti is one of the important Shatkarma or the cleansing process, which will help us to prevent falling
Yes,
sick.
pour the water. Yes, start. Okay. No. Yes, Sai, Isha, perfect. And
Get connected to your true nature. Stay fit at all times. Join us for a free global pranayama workshop. Namaste.